Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rekha and you are watching my channel Crafty-noons, where I share DIYs, home decor related crafts, organization tips and tricks and a lot more. In today's video, I am going to share some study table organizers, which are made of waste cardboard box. I hope you would like them. So before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, just jump into the video. For the first organizer, I am using this kind of big size shoe box. To cover it, I am using this wallpaper which I bought from Amazon for Rs 159 only. You can use it for other crafts as well. We'll share the link in the description. It's having wood texture and sticks well to the base. I am using this old credit card to paste it well without bubbles. This is my first project with this kind of paper, but it is working fine and sticking very well. It is very easy to use it. As you will do it, you will get it with the flow and will be able to do it more easily. You can take somebody's help to hold it. Just remove the base paper and stick it with the card. Cover the whole box. To stick on sides, I make various cuts. Joints are not visible, so go with the flow. More color options and designs are available online. You can choose from them. Now our wooden box is totally covered. Now I'm going to make the partitions for this box, and for that I am using different kind of cardboard boxes. I am covering it from inside with fluorescent colors. For outside part, I used black paper. You can skip the outside paper sticking, as it's not going to look after putting it in the box. In the same way, I prepared more boxes. Keep in mind the height of the box should be same. Put them in the box. How colorful and vibrant this is looking from inside. To enhance the beauty, I pasted a white paper cutout, an old earring of mine. You can store your colors, craft items, sewing items and even makeup items. It is looking like a jewel box or treasure box. This one is my favorite. I hope you would like this DIY. For the next organizer, I am using the cornflakes cardboard box. I marked at 10 cm on both sides and measured it. The same process I repeated at the back side. Now follow the steps. Now cut the box. And we have prepared two organizers out of one box. Now to cover it, I chose colorful packing paper. Spread the glue properly and paste and cover the box. After making it, I realized I should take some other sturdy box, or I would have pasted cardboard pieces inside it to make it more sturdy. So please take care of that thing. Cover the inside part also. Again I chose vibrant colors. In the same way I prepared another box as well. To beautify it more, I am using again my old earrings. Make a hole and just hang it. You can organize your notebooks, diaries, etc. into it. These colors make the area just colorful. Next DIY is pen holder, or you may say color holder. For each I chose two boxes, one for lid and another for base. The base should go inside the upper one. Cut the upper part to make the lid. I am covering the base with the green paper. Make the cuts on corners and paste it inside the box. Prepare the base as well. Paste a piece of square paper on the base. Cover the upper part also. I covered it with red paper. To make the partitions, I am using these wafer boxes. Cut them as per the size of the box and adjust inside the box. Now I am drawing the lines with the help of brush pen. You can use color pen, sketch pen or watercolor also. The stripes are giving the look of watermelon. On the red part I draw drop shape with black sketch pen or marker. Our colorful summer appropriate color pen holder is ready, and it is made totally out of waste. The partition of boxes help you to segregate the color pencils and pens. I hope guys you liked all these study table organizers. This one is my favorite. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section below. So we'll see you soon with more fun ideas in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Take good care of your health. Stay safe, stay home, be crafty. Bye bye.